Welcome to this heart chakra opening, cleansing, and balancing session. This is going to be a 7-minute energy healing session where I flow high vibrational energy through me to your heart chakra. So all you have to do is lie down, set the intention that you are open and receptive to receiving this energy transmission. Focus all of your attention and intention on the center, the middle of your chest, as if every breath you are breathing straight into your heart. So I always start with some sacred symbols to connect with your energy from a distance. This goes across all time and space. And then send symbols for emotional healing and protection and calling in light beings and angels. We call in Archangel Raphael to please assist us, as well as any other archangels, guardian angels, guides, or light beings who can help at this moment. So as you are breathing in, you can imagine that there's a beautiful green and pink energy flowing through your heart. It is perfectly balanced. I'm going to say some affirmations, and you can just allow these affirmations to flow into you. Allow the vibration of these words to flow into your heart chakra, where you can repeat them after me. I am connected with all. I unconditionally love myself and others. I feel only love and worthiness for myself and this universe. With every breath, I feel more and more loving energy in my body. I easily give and receive love. I am able to love without attachment. I love myself fully, and I am worthy of receiving this love back in all forms. Now, if you'd like, you can imagine the love that is in your heart space expanding past you, surrounding everybody in your life with this unconditional love. Surrounding all people and places and animals and plants. Surrounding the entire world with this beautiful pink and green light of your unconditional love. And feeling this love within your heart, we're going to ground now back into your body and just notice what it is like to be the consciousness that you are in your body, in this time, in this place. We set the intention to ground and release all that is not of love at this moment. I'm going to wipe off your energy field, your arc field. If anything you may have released, I'm going to wipe mine off. Disconnect from this energy, so be it, and so it is. We give thanks to the oneness, to the all, to the unconditional love. Amen. If you'd like a personal energy clearing, chakra balancing session, please contact me at Reiki with Rachel. From my heart to yours, I'm sending you so much love.